Hello everyone, Super BV here, and welcome to a newer series. This is Retro Tornado Survival. We are in Minecraft 1.5.2, and we have one mod, and that is the Weather and Tornadoes mod. In this series, we are going to be working on getting through every single one of the achievements in vanilla Minecraft. We are going to be going and trying to get all of these achievements. I already got one that's taking inventory, but that's really easy one. So now I'm going to explain some things to you guys as we get started here. This mod is very unpredictable. The way the tornadoes work, the way things work in this mod, it's very unpredictable. So we could go for a very, very long time without actually seeing a tornado. Or we could see a tornado within the next couple of minutes if it starts raining. Really, this mod is really dependent on how the rain feels, really. If it decides to rain a lot, well, we might see some tornadoes. Actually, I want to check. Okay, I did get that. It doesn't pop up on the bottom of my screen that I've gotten the achievement, which sucks. But that's fine. So, as I continue to talk about this, now, this mod, like I was saying, this mod is very unpredictable. I have also seen where... Hey, creeper. Creeper. No. I don't have... I can't get you yet. I can't get that achievement yet. Now, this mod is, like I was saying, it's very, very unpredictable. It's all dependent whether we see tornadoes or not in the rain. If it decides to rain or not. Now, I don't want to be near jungles. That's, yeah, I don't want to be in a jungle. However, a snow biome, if the mod even works like that, whether we'd see tornadoes closer or further. Now, I am going to set up and kill you guys. Oh, that wind sound is just terrifying, in a sense. It doesn't sound right. You know what I mean? It's a very clear skies, very clear day. Also, something that should be a given is that I'm not going to be using the /toggle downfall to spawn storms in cheatily like that. That should be a given, but for those of you who think, oh yeah, that's fair game, it's not. It really isn't. I'm not going to be using... No, I'm just trying to find a nice area for us to build. Because I'd like it to be underground. I'd like the house to be underground. Because... Is this a cave system? It is, but it's kind of like... Man. Oh, hey. Spider. I'm not going to fight you. No. No, I'm not. No. Now, dirt isn't safe in this mod. Unlike the localized weather mod. The, I would say the better version of this mod. Also, we do have waves here when the wind comes up and stuff. Now, if it does start raining and stuff, then, well, I'm going to be forced to dig myself into a hole. And maybe that's exactly where we're going to live, is in a hole in the ground. With like a ladder to a trapdoor coming up to the surface. Maybe that's what we'll eventually end up doing. Oh boy. Because I'm not finding... how is this cave? Okay, no, I'm not. There's zombies down here. This wind is so creepy. I'm going to pull up the debug info, though. We do have 800 rotating particles. Now, that doesn't mean a tornado is on the ground. Different biomes have different... Then again, though, just keep looking up towards the sky. 1,000 rotating particles. Now, I am going to say, though, that... Oh, that's so creepy. The wind is so creepy. This wind is very creepy. I really just want to get into a safe location. Yeah, you know what? I'm just going to dig down. I'm sorry, but that might not be what you guys want me to do, but that's the thing that that's the thing that makes me feel the most safe, is just digging straight down. Now, I do want to talk about the rotating particles, because rotating particles are a big thing. I'm not going to stand around while I do that, though. I'm going to be actually working on a underground, because that's where I'm going. I'm going underground. I don't care about anything. I just want to be underground. I want to be in a safe location. Anyway, as I was saying, there are, as you can see on the side there are rotating particles. Now, if that should spike, if you guys should see that spike, now, it's not super imperative right now. Okay, I like this. I like the stone layer is good. We want to be 2 or 3 blocks below the stone layer. Now, as I was saying before I got completely, you know, sidetracked, those rotating particles on the side there that you can see will be an indication of when a tornado is or is not on the ground. Now, one of the things that you can tell is that if the rotating particles spike. And when I mean spike, I mean like a tornado, one tornado on the ground usually means it's usually probably going to be 200-300 rotating particle, or no, actually that's way too low. No, I'm talking about like 2,000 to 3,000 rotating particles. That's when a tornado is, you could say with certainty that a tornado is on the ground. Now, like I was saying, this mod is very unpredictable, and this mod is very reliant on the fact that it rains. So if it doesn't rain here, you know, we may or may not see dust devils, which are tornadoes that spawn without thunderstorms. Okay, I like the fact that I'm now in a safer location. That makes me very, very happy. So we're going to dig out a little house area. Now, I did make it so that, you know, there can be at least 5 active tornadoes. That's the maximum. Minimum is obviously 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry that I'm counting. I'm just wanting to make sure that this house is good. Okay, now this is something that we don't want. We don't want dirt to be showing in our house. Any dirt has to be covered up, because dirt is very vulnerable in this mod. This wind is not Did I hear zombie? Okay, you know what? We're going to cut out an area, and we are going to sleep off the night. Hopefully it's not like the older versions of this mod, like 1.2, 1.3, where when you sleep... Did I not kill 3 sheep? This is going to be a longer night. I'm going to torch up my house, though. This is going to be a very long night. And I'm scared because I've never... Well, I like... Okay, there's something that you guys should know about me. I like tornadoes. I like, you know, this kind of stuff. However, the randomness of this mod makes it very scary. And which something that I don't particularly enjoy. Now, I wanted to do it because this mod is a, you know, more random mod, more based on RNG instead of any more, you know, known numbers. Okay, I do have my crafting table. We're going to make a door for this now because we are going to get very secured. There we go. Okay, we are now secured for the most part. And we can look up at the night sky, take a look if it's day or not. And hopefully that won't get destroyed if a tornado should go over us. Hopefully not. I'm gonna say that won't. Hopefully. Now, I do wish I had more wool, because I could easily sleep off the night right now. I have enough wood to do that. I am going to put some tools back into my chest here so that they, you know, and the cobblestone is really important too, so I'm not going to... Cobblestone is really good for securing houses and stuff. Now, that info panel on the side there is going to stay there for the rest of time. Or until we... It's the next achievement that we need to get. I thought I already did that. Oh, no, I didn't. Let's do that right now. And, boop. There we go. Now, isn't there another achievement, getting an upgrade? Which is construct a better pickaxe. We're about to find out. Yep. Okay, we are getting through these achievements. Time taken. Monster hunter. Okay, cow tipper. Sniper duel. Hot topic. You know what? I can do that right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the wind died down, which is a major relief. We're actually going to put that there. Now, we're going to put the... and here it comes back again. The rotating particles aren't that high, though. One tornado usually makes the rotating particles spike up to 1600. 2 tornadoes, you know, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, somewhere in there. 3,000 to 5,000. 3 tornadoes is 8,000 rotating particles, and so on and so on and so on. Now, we are getting a pretty big spike. Well, we got a little bit of a spike there in rotating particles. I do not like this mod. Well, I don't mind this mod. It's really creepy, though. Okay, so what other achievements do we have to get here? Time to farm. Okay. We're going to do that, except we're going to do it with cobblestone. Now, I don't want to use up all my cobblestone, because I might make like a little thing up there. Oh, it has to be a wooden hoe. You know what? That's fine. We're going to keep that. We're not going to worry about that. There we go. Wind strength is 0. Oh, it just hit 1. Okay. 1. Just hit 1 again. More achievements. Make bread and the lie. Cow tipper, we have to do that. Delicious fish. Okay, that's something else that we have to do. So I think I might cut here until the morning or something interesting happens. Okay, I'm actually going to mention something else. The normal Minecraft music does not fit into this mod. You know, the normal Minecraft music is way too peaceful and way too calm in order to, you know, by comparison to the very, very, very creepy wind sounds. It's very creepy, and I really don't like it. Now, until proven otherwise, I'm going to assume that this door is unsafe. Daytime, can you just hurry up? Please, daytime, hurry up. Hurry up. I'll see you when it becomes daytime, guys. Okay, everyone, welcome back. As you can see, I am looking up through my ladder, and it is becoming daytime. That is a huge relief. I want to get a bed. I want to be able to mark my spawn point down in my thing. I thought I heard a rumble. Like an incoming tornado. Nothing. There's a zombie over there. Nothing. There's a creeper. Oh, don't explode. Well, you know what? More dirt for my underground farm that I'm going to set up. Oh. Well. Oh, hey. Iron. That's going to be very useful to us for creating our tornado siren and sensors, if I can even remember how to craft those in this version. I have the crafting recipe for the tornado siren and sensor for the localized weather mod, the parent mod to this one, I'd say. Well, actually, no, this one would be the parent mod, and the localized weather mod would be the child mod. Okay, we are going to go look for sheep, though. More sheep. Ooh, a ravine. Oh, there's iron down there. No, I don't think I'm going to risk it. I'm not going to go down there. And just like that, the wind has stopped. Very creepy game. I heard an underground cave system just now. Oh, sheep. Oh, sheep. And cows. Come here. 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 Thank you. Oh, boy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sheep and cows. Yes, I do have my extra wool. Okay. Because I thought I picked up that other one that because I thought I killed 3 there. But obviously I didn't. So that's a thing. Anyway, we're going to go down. We're going to cook up this raw beef. Actually, I can't because I don't have any coal. I guess I could use oak. You know what we're going to do? We're going to turn that into charcoal, and we're going to use that charcoal to cook this raw beef. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And it also gives us an excuse to sit in our basement here. Or in our little house area here. That can go in there, that can go in there, that can go. Iron can absolutely go in there. That's really important. Dirt can go in there as well. Oh, whoops. Wrong orientation. My bad. Bed can go right there. No, actually. Bed can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just making sure that it's equal. Actually, hold. I'm going to experiment with something here. I need an axe. I'm not going to use my stone axe for this because this is a really plain job for it. Instead, we are going to use a wooden. We're going to experiment here. Can I put... No, I have to put it here. We're going to try one more thing. Oh, we can do that. It does look a little awkward, but... No, I think... And it's raining. Okay, we're still in a stage 1 storm. Storm intensity is still 0. That's fine, okay. I'm a little bit shaky right now, guys. I'm not sure. Well, obviously I don't have face cam, but... We might be testing out our little bunker thing really soon here. It might be a... Okay, I'm going to cut out a little area back here. Just a small one. Where my bed can go. That might be a tornado, guys. My bed can go like that. Actually, we're going to remove that one. We're going to put this one right in here. And the chest can actually come in here as well. Now, I'm not going to go up there right now. Absolutely not. Actually, the chest can go right in here. Because I'm not sure if this is going to turn into a full-blown thunderstorm. Which is going to make me very worried if it does. Very nervous. That can go in there. Please. That. I might actually create another door for this room here, just to be extra safe. I'm all about the safety, guys. I really want to be safe. Actually, I might also... I'm so paranoid right now. I really am paranoid. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I am super paranoid right now. We're gonna change. I thought I heard thunder. I'm gonna put that there and that right there. There we go. We are now safe. Now we were safe in there, I think. Or that's what I want to believe. But now we are extra safe. We have a bed. The chest is in here. The crafting table and the furnace are all in there. And I can hear the wind again. That is very nervous. That is very nerve-wracking. I was going to end off the video right around here, though. But I want to see what happens. I really want to see if we get a tornado or not. Just watch the rotating particles, guys. That's going to be the thing that tips it off that a tornado is here. Is that the rotating particles spike. Now, I don't think a tornado can spawn right now because it is, you know, we're in a rain right now. It's technically raining in this world. But you never know. Actually, I'm also going to put these guys in here as well. I'm only going to keep on the very necessities that I need in case I do die by a tornado. That way most of my important stuff aren't going to be thrown everywhere. Now, it says Storm Stage 1, so I assume there can be a tornado right now. I assume that that's a possibility. However, I'm not too particularly sure right now. Now, there's something also going through my head right now, is do I sleep and you know, possibly not see a tornado, because I should be closing down this episode right about now. It's getting to be half an hour long. Or do I sit and wait for the rain to end naturally and potentially see a tornado? That's, I wish I'm going to have to create an underground tree farm as well. I really don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk leaving this room. I should sleep. I think I'm going to make a cut again to when the rain ends or when a tornado happens. Or until the next 3 or 4 minutes pass, or go past. in-game. Actually, you know what, guys? We are going to sleep off the night because we have a bed. Now, is this going to spawn a storm? No? No storm? I really don't want to go up. I'm going to do it. No, we're safe. Okay, well, you know what? That's going to do it. I'm going to call first episode here. Thank you. So, I thank you guys for watching. Leave a rating if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if this so happens to be the very first episode or very first video that you've seen by me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Super Beefy signing out. And leave a like for tornadoes, I guess. Maybe. Actually, leave a like for the fact that we had no first episode tornadoes. First episode tornadoes are bad. Bye.